Sounds Hit Tube presents royalty-free sounds.
Oh, this is the mahogany coffin. It's got a lovely brown sheen to it.
How much is it?
It's not really about the cost. It's more about the respect that you pay to your loved ones.
Appreciate that, but I do need to know how much this coffin costs.
It's got a full varnish, wax varnish.
I understand that. I need to know the cost of the coffin.
No, it's not really about the cost. It's more about the quality of the hinge work. The hinges are made from classic brass, and they've got...
I need to know how much this coffin costs.
No, don't worry about the cost of sending a loved one off. This mahogany is 2 inches thick.
How much?
No, it's not about the cost. It's about the quality of the workmanship, but the smoothness of the mahogany. It's constantly with the grain, which is a particularly interesting technique in the coffin building world.
How much does the coffin cost?
The cost isn't important right now. What is important is that we find the correct, respectful, and peaceful home for your loved ones.
I need to know the cost.
It's £470,000.